let's talk about creating dramatic images. Okay, one of the things that people have been asking me is how to create dramatic image and when you use dramatic images. Okay, it's a matter of style. It's a matter of your style. Just like a singer, right? You listen to a song and you know which singer it is. Photography is the same thing. I think the hardest thing for the photographer today is to create their own style. What is the style that is going to attract you, that client, that your ideal client? Because when I say ideal client, I mean the client that hires you because of your work, not because you're the cheapest one. I keep saying this over and over again, right? If you're competing on price, you're racing to the bottom, because there's always somebody that's going to be cheaper than you are, and you don't want to compete on price. You want to compete on the quality and the style of your image. But in order to do that, you have to have a style. And I'm not saying that everyone should have a dramatic style. No, this is the style that I chose to myself, to the photography, the image. I like that style. I like the darker background. I like the dramatic skies that I see and that I create sometimes. But that is my style. I want people to look at my pictures and say, oh, that's Clay Souza's picture. Okay, because I have that signature style.